Hi everybody, this is Home Theater Man back in another video. Today I just want to talk to you guys about Frigidaire dishwasher again, Gallery series. So if you have a dishwasher that I told my brother-in-law about this because they got a refrigerator, the dishwasher. I don't know what kind they have, but they had a dishwasher like ours, my mother did, where they had their buttons on top. But the dishwasher was not air dry. They had dry heat or heat dry. A dishwasher is heat dry. So therefore, apparently the dishwasher, when they did heat dry, it got into the board here. They said it got into the board and it fried the board. So they didn't get a new dishwasher. My brother-in-law and my sister. So if you have a dishwasher has the buttons on top, and if it is not air dry at all, and if it's heat dry, then you do not want that kind of dishwasher. Do not want a dishwasher that is going to be heat dry with the buttons on top. That heat comes out, it gets into the buttons here, comes in the side, it comes in the side, gets into the buttons, and fires the motherboard up. This is what happened to my brother-in-law and my sister's dishwasher. So again, if you have air dry, you'll be good. If you have air dry dishwasher, you'll be good to go, guys. So like ours is fine. Again, it's air dry, so it's not heat dry. So therefore, we should be fine with the dishwasher. But just want to talk to you guys about that as well. And then also I want to talk to you guys about, as well, which I did another video. This is another video as well. So each dishwasher, like whether you have Samsung, Frigidaire, Maytag, they recommend to use different soaps for a dishwasher. Like some dishwasher companies, like for instance Frigidaire, they recommend us to use Cascade Platinum Plus. As you see, recommended Cascade Platinum Plus. So that's what our dishwasher recommends to use, the Cascade Platinum Plus, which is what we're using. That's the only thing you should use in this dishwasher. Again, if you guys can see, it's the only thing you should use in this dishwasher, the Platinum Plus. That's what I want to talk to you guys about. You guys see it says Cascade Platinum Plus recommended. It tells you what to recommend in the dishwasher. And see it says Cascade Power Dryer, which I use that as well. The Power Dryer, Cascade Power Dryer, which I use that for the rinse aid. See, tell you how to do this. So, yeah, there's different stuff each dishwasher recommends. Like for instance, the Samsung dishwashers, I think they recommend Finish. I'm pretty sure Samsung dishwashers, they recommend using Finish products in the dishwasher. For instance, like Samsung, they will say use Finish and tell you what Finish to use, which is probably the higher end brand of Finish. Again, like Frigidaire, they recommend Cascade Platinum Plus. So again, each dishwasher is going to recommend what's best for your dishwasher. Like the companies know what's best for your dishwasher, and that is what each dishwasher recommends. Some dishwashers may recommend using Finish. Some other ones may recommend Cascade Platinum Plus. Some other ones may just recommend Cascade, regular Cascade. It just depends on what dishwasher you have. Like for instance, we had an old 2001 front loader dishwasher, and it recommended us to use Finish on the product, not on Frigidaire. Our old 2001 Frigidaire dishwasher, it recommended us to just use Finish, which is a brand of soaps, dish soap and stuff, and rinse aid. We use Cascade instead of Finish in the dishwasher. Again, some people have used Cascade in the Frigidaire dishwasher, and they said that they didn't try and they didn't like it as much, I guess. I switched over to Cascade Platinum Plus, and they said Cascade does a better job to finish. Does. Again, depends on what brand dishwasher you have. Depends on how good. Depends on what soap you have, but depends on how good the soap washes in your dishwasher. So just want to talk to you guys about that. Again, please do like and subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment down below of what your thoughts are. Let me know your guys' thoughts on this. Again, hope that man over and out. Take care, guys.